Hello, good morning. This is Trisha May Maglalangesa from 7 Miriam. I am your tour guide for this day. I will show to you the different kinds of festivals here in Pampanga. And these are Hot Air Balloon. It's an annual event that occurs between January and February of the Omni Aviation Complex in Clarkfield, Angeles City, Pampanga. It features multicolored hot air balloons. Ibon-Ebon Festival of Candaba in Pampanga. This celebration is dedicated to the famous Candaba swamp that serves as sanctuary to nearly 14,000 migratory birds that flock each year is migrated to the different parts of the world. Sisig Festival is held every year in the month of December in Angeles City. Sisig is the Kapampangan term which means to snack on something sour. Lenten rites is the holy reenactment of Christ's Passion Death, which takes place in Barangay San Pedro Cuto, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, held in March-April. Sinukwan Festival. Maria Sinukwan is a devoted associated with unusual bounty of forests in Arayat and with the profession of animals. There it held on December 1 to 6. Fiestang Tugak or Frog Festival. Citizens of San Fernando have reserved a special day every year to honor the amphibian because of its important contributions to the environment and economic and culture. Giant Lantern Festival, well known as Ligligang Parol, is annual festival held in December in the city of San Fernando. It features competition of giant lanterns. Sabuaga Festivals. The glood of the Good Friday ends in the joy of Easter Sunday with its unique celebration in Santo Tomas town. The most beautiful local maintenance dressed in their fineries accompany the images of the risen Christ and the Virgin Mother Poblacion, singing and raising petals on them. Curaldal, celebrated every January 6 in honor of patron saint Saint Lucy. The saint believed to help not only the blind but women who wish to have fertility and bear aguman sandok is literally translated as fellowship of the ladle. Every year's men in Minalin dress in parade straight to the Poblacion for the crowning of the Aguman Sandok Queen. Apong Iru, the blessed image brought to the parish, is carried paraded in a decorated pagoda or float from its sanctuary in Kapalangan. Makatapak Festival, the town annual festival of Bacolor, the best of a kind. Enjoy!